Jackson. So, atras yun mo eh. Pagkita mo sa kanila kung gano'ng magaling mag-uno. O, tama na. Apollo, makamahulog ka sa table, boy. Alright, from this time, let's see his acting skill. Magaling itong umarte si Apollo, guys. Magaling itong artista. Right now, Apollo, what do we do if you see a predator? May agila, boy. May predator. Anong gagawin ko may agila? Ayan na, folks. Patay. Patay, good boy, Apollo. That is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in a while to fool their predators. So magpatay-patayan sila, folks. Okay, one more pa daw din. Hello, Apollo, yung agila dyan lang sila. Sunod ka, boy. Ayan na siya, folks. Grabe ka talaga, Apollo. Napakasamakin mo talaga, boy. Palapakan po natin si Apollo, guys. No, hindi pa tayo tapos, ha? Now, Kuya Dexter, pwede ko bang intervene si Apollo? Apollo, just a quick interview na pwede. Okay, confused ako. So, dito tayo sa center. Alright, no. Apollo, sumagot ka ng maayos, Apollo, ha? Now, Apollo, look at Kuya Dexter. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Okay ba si Kuya Dexter mo, Apollo? Okay. Sana all. Okay, okay daw. Si Kuya Dexter, sabi ni Apollo, no, how about me daw, boy, Apollo? Look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Look at... Makabayos mo talaga, boy. Kung si Kuya Dexter, pag sa akin, hindi. Ba talaga, pag personal trainer, folks, a-agree talaga si Apollo. Okay, siyempre, habang dito tayo sa ating mga bisita. Okay, habang ito si Ma'am na naka-vlog ko. Okay, ayan, naka-vlog. Nag-take ng video si Apollo. No, Apollo, look at Ma'am, look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Ma'am? Ay, no, naka-vlog. Look at her. Is she beautiful? Ganda ba? Alam mo, dinidiligan ka pa ni Apollo. Ay, maganda ba, Apollo? Alright. Okay. Maganda ka daw sabi ni Apollo. Pero wait lang. Patatagalan si Apollo. Okay, no. Abot sa lalaki. Ito daw si Sir o naka-polo ng green. Okay, now, Apollo, look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir? Ay, ano? Naka-green? Alright. Okay, okay. Na Kuya Dexter, mata ko lang yung naiiba. Anong nangyari dyan? Kayo talaga? Kulit yung talaga ang dalawa. Okay, one more time. One more time na lang, please, boy. Apollo, look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Eh, folks, huwag na lang natin pilitin si Apollo. Guys, palakpakan na lang po natin si Apollo. Kuya Dexter, Apollo.